jeweler I need more ice. Tell the jeweler I need more ice. Tell the jeweler I need.
What's good, people? I'm LUMIDAYY, and today I'll be showing you the best puffer jackets from my collection. But first, let me quickly say I was gonna have the Trapster puffer jacket in this collection, but unfortunately they emailed me back after 1 month of me waiting for my order saying that it's out of stock. They basically said after looking into my order, we've realised that they don't have any in stock, so they're offering me a refund, which I'm still waiting for. Come on, Trapster, man, just hurry up. But yeah, anyways, let's get into it.
Pour up the whole damn field, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals, we been trapping like the 80s.
I'll start with the cheapest, which is this brown suede puffer jacket from Zara. I got this in a size large, and this is on sale right now for $29.99. It fits a bit tight, so I would recommend go a size up, or if you can, go into the store and try it on. But yeah, it's not bad. The faux suede material feels good, and yeah, it's not bad for the price as it's on sale now. So I would recommend this if you like suede puffer jackets.
I won't never sell my soul, and I can beg that. And I really wanna know where you at, where I was at back, where the stash at. Cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac, cause I know these niggas out there where the bag at. Gotta move smarter, gotta move harder. Nigga try to give me 5 mile water. I lay his ass down on my son, on my daughter. I had the Draco with me, Dwayne Carter. Lot of niggas out here playing.
The next puffer jacket I got is from ASOS. It's this khaki green ASOS design puffer jacket, and I got this in a size small. I got this on sale for £41. I think the price now is £44, but it's still on sale, so I'll get it now if you're looking for puffer jackets. And this comes in black and grey, but I got the khaki colour because I've never had a puffer jacket in this colour.
Shorty wanna ball with the team. Money sitting tall, y'all mean. Shorty wanna kick it with the team. I got all this walk on me. Shorty wanna ball with the team. Money sitting tall, y'all mean. Shorty wanna ball with the team. Money sitting tall, y'all mean.
Next is this Dickies Ollerton orange puffer jacket. I got this on sale for around £57.35. It retails for around £135. I got this from Urban Industry as it was on sale, plus extra 15% off they're doing right now. I was looking to get an orange puffer jacket from when I saw the Drake war video. He was wearing this nice orange puffer jacket. But then when I found out he was wearing Moncler, I know the price would be around £400 to £600. So I decided to get this one, which I don't mind because the quality is still good and I got on sale, so yeah.
Shorty wanna kick it with the team. I got all this walk on me. Shorty wanna ball with the team. Money sitting tall, y'all mean. Fucking on that swoop, fucking on that hoe, fucking on that swoop, fucking on that hoe, fucking in the coat. Then she popped the blow. Whoa, oh, South Atlanta goon, RP true. At the set go, you know how it go.
So this is one of my favourite puffers from my collection. This puffer jacket is from this London streetwear brand called Cold Laundry. I got this for £150 and I got it in a size medium. The colourway is called Baby Blue. To me this looks kind of grey, so I wear this with like grey hoodies and grey tracksuits. And it's really puffy, as one of my friends said I looked fat when I was wearing this. But yeah, it's a nice jacket.
Bitch sit on my face, I attack that. Choose up, Lil John, I'm finna pack him. When it comes to my bitch, I'm straight active. Dirt ball in the coupe, smoking cat piss. Lil bitch, shut the fuck up. Tell your best friend, shut the fuck up. Ayy, lil bitch, shut the fuck up. Tell your best friend, shut the fuck up. Ayy, you know I love it when you talk dirty. Messy, you my orange soda shorty. You act like a lil me, I wanna fuck you. You the type to kill me, I won't touch you. You want me drop a band on some cute shoes. You want me be the man you can vent to. You let me beat it up, you let me practice. Now I'm finna lay you on a mattress. Bitch sit on my face, I attack that. Choose up, Lil John, I'm finna pack him. When it comes to my bitch, I'm straight active. Dirt ball in the coupe, smoking cat piss. Lil bitch, shut the fuck up. Tell your best friend, shut the fuck up. Ayy.
Okay. Alright, so the last puffer jacket I'll show you from my collection is this North Face 1996 puffer jacket, and it retails for £220. £220.
Come on, let me hear you say it just once. Come on. Come on, I know it's just dangling out the tip of your tongue. Let me hear it just once, please.
£120. I've got this in a size small and it fits perfect, so I'd say go a size down from your normal size, or best thing to do is just go into the store and try it on. So this is the best puffer jacket in my collection, as I wear it almost every day. Keeps you warm, feels nice, it's not heavy, so yeah, it feels good on. It's not as puffy as the cold laundry, but it's puffy, so yeah, I like puffy jackets, and I'll say this is the best puffer jacket to wear.
Little bitch, shut the fuck up. Tell your best friend, ayy, shut the fuck up, ayy. My little baby low-key a flexer. 6 figs on the whip, that's a price tag. Little best friend bitch tried to press me. I'm that underground nigga with the check though. I hate a bitch that I can't impress. When you come see the crib, you better die, ho. Young nigga sneaking in through your side though. Baby Keem, not a wave, I'm a vibe, ho. 7 fig nigga with the big drip on me. Post on your block with your wish list on me. Bitch sit on my face, I attack that. Choose up, Lil John, I'm finna pack him. When it comes to my bitch, I'm straight active. Dirt ball in the coupe, smoking cat piss. Lil bitch, shut the fuck.
So yeah, that's it. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, put a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon.